Thank you German customers for choosing the EA640F2 indoor LED display. This product interprets industrial aesthetics with precision craftsmanship. Its LED modules, power supplies, and receiving cards all adopt cutting-edge front-loading design. There is no need to disassemble the screen for maintenance. It is as elegant and efficient as a German watchmaker adjusting the movement from the front of the dial. It is elegant and efficient. The 640 by 480 mm standard unit with seamless splicing technology can flexibly build cinema-level curved curtain walls or giant digital art installations to meet the strict pursuit of display quality in scenes such as museums and high-end conference centers.